Do you know why they used to call them string beans, honey? Early beans used to always have the string of the skin that used to run along the outside like a pea. That's how the original, I guess, green beans were given to us by God.
You're always just so full of information.
Mother Nature.
Like a human encyclopedia over here.
Before ChatGPT, there was me.
Hi, everyone.
Welcome back to another episode of Vince's at Home. Potatoes are in season. They're always in season. Do you know that you should never store your onions with your potatoes? Because the release of ethylene or whatever it is that's on there will make your potato sprouts.
How come you never share these tidbits of information at home?
Because I don't want to mess with your whole thing.
You're just telling me now, like on camera.
I'm telling the people at home, so why are you laughing at me right now?
Just all the hand motions.
Today in the kitchen, what are we making?
A potato and green bean salad, but it has different things in it than we normally would put in a potato salad.
What potatoes you got there?
Fingerling potatoes.
Which are?
Which are?
What kind of potato family do they fall within?
I feel like they're Yukon because they
are.
look golden to me.
They're in the Yukon family of potatoes. Ontario grows amazing potatoes. Did you know that? We grow.
I thought PEI is the potato capital.
They grow a lot of potatoes, russets, particularly the russet family or varieties of russets. Russets are those dark-skinned baking potatoes they use for French fries. Ontario grows really great white Yukon red potatoes. And fingerlings are delicious because they're meant to be really silky and smooth.
Okay. This salad also contains capers, Kalamata olives, some honey, some fresh dill, so
some
it's got
shallots.
a lot going on. Yes.
Beautiful.
Start by boiling the potatoes.
Yep.
We're gonna just salt the water too. So those will boil until fork tender. Zest the lemon.
The whole lemon?
And then juice it.
The whole thing?
Yeah. And I will just snap the ends off all these green beans. And then you're going to chop the 2 shallots.
Finely diced? Mm-hmm. 2 shallots?
You call them shallots? I call them shallots.
Potatoes, let's call the whole thing off. Like, we just can't figure this out.
Shallots, shallots.
Imagine a marriage ends because of mispronunciation. Okay, where do you want all these shallots?
Right in the bowl. We're gonna need a clove of garlic. We need some dill chopped, 1/3 cup. I drained the capers, 1/3 cup. I'm gonna put those in there. A spoonful of Dijon mustard, teaspoonful of red wine vinegar, a spoonful of honey, and I'm just gonna mix that together. 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm going to put the green beans in the boiling water. The olives.
The olives?
It is 1/2 cup of olives.
Is that all of them?
So I'm just going to put the green beans into a cold water bath to stop the cooking and to keep them bright green. Fingerlings are different sizes, so sometimes the small ones cook before the big ones do.
How do you feel about that? That looks great.
Does look good, right?
Yeah. I like how it's warm. It's good. I like it. I could eat that. You like it. This is up your alley. Because you like vinegary stuff too.
I do.
Great summer salad.
If you like beans and potato salad, this is a good elevated version with a bunch of different salty things in there.